Hi guys, welcome to Liliana's Fun Club. Today I'm going to be making cinnamon buns. So first we're going to put in yeast, right? And also my mom is in the back. She's going to be helping me if something is like that I don't know. Okay, so first is yeast. Now I need to open it with scissors. So this is already crumbled, so that means I already put one. And then here's another one right here. It's right there. So I'm going to dig in here. Is this good? Okay. So I'm just gonna put that right there. Put this right there. Next is melt the butter in the pot. So I'm gonna take this in there. Oh, microwave. So I'm gonna mix with this spoon. I just melted the butter, so now we're gonna mix with the spoon. There's little chunks, so that means you can just like mix it. You might need to like not put it in the microwave again. So number 3, measure the milk and pour it into a pot. Heat the liquid until it is 98.6 degrees. Okay, so I just microwaved the milk and then I mixed it, and then it was warm temperature. So now I'm gonna start with this. That's the egg, sorry, not egg, and that's the butter. And then next I'm going to pour milk. It already has a little tip, so put in the milk. Did I put in everything? Okay, this is good. Oh, did you see the steam? Okay, so now I'm gonna get this and then start mixing slowly, as it says there. I think it says it there. So this is it already. I'm mixing it. Can you see the milk when I do this? Okay, so after that, we're going to put 3 cups of flour in this cup. Okay, let's see. That's hard to Can you help me? That's hard to open. Okay. So I'm gonna measure with this spoon for this cup. So I think this is it. That's good. And I'm gonna pour it in there. So then after I'm gonna put it into Swift. I'm gonna put the flour in there. I'm gonna Swift it, and then it's gonna go inside there. Like so it doesn't have chunks. That's why. So I put the whole thing. Now I'm gonna like do that. It's pretty easy. Just need to shake it. So after we do this, we need to put 2 more cups. You know, I usually do like if there's like little bowls, I just put my finger and then just pat them. But usually if they're okay, now I'm gonna go on to the next other cup. Okay. If you have the yeast, then that's easier. It has like this thing. I don't know. It's like it has like a line. So you can just place it. Up and down. Okay, so I finished the last cup and I'm done with I was done with the second cup of scraping, and then And then I was done with the last one while then. So now I just need to like sprinkle everywhere. And I'm done. Okay, so I'm just gonna like put this again there. So okay, I'm gonna put it in. Okay, I'm just gonna. I'm trying to put it on the table, making this for myself. So now I'm gonna put this whole thing in there. So should I just sprinkle everywhere? Oh. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle like snow. Okay. Everything that's in here is like all white. So now it just looks like snow. So now I'm gonna like pour this in there, right? Doesn't that look like snow to you guys? Comment down below if it looks like snow to you. It does to me so much. First I'm gonna put the dry ingredients because it's actually liquid.
Well, actually it doesn't matter, you can put either way.
I want it to look snow. Again.
Do you need help?
No, I think I'm fine here.
Slowly.
This is so cool. Look at that little thing. Huh? Look at that. Just look at it. It's like yolk. It's like yolk in there. Seriously, it does, right? Now for the snow time. Snow. Snow. Snow coming through like the snow. Okay, time to mix. Time to mix snow and the yolk. Sorry, butter. Oh, that's pretty hard. Look, it's getting into like dough, I think.
So now we can put it in here, right? To mix
Oh yeah,
it.
so because you put all the ingredients and you got it cleared up.
Oh yeah, you have.
So now time to blend it. So this doesn't go by itself. You don't need to do anything. Okay, so this it blended for like 6 minutes, I think, and then it's supposed to be 6 minutes. So this is how it is right now. It's a bit. It was sticky, so that I'm just gonna show you. This is how it is. It's gonna slide off the hook. Anyway, so this is how it is. It's supposed to be a little sticky on it, but yeah, I'm just gonna like make it drop shape. There's like a little hook there. I'm gonna put this on top like this, just like this. Okay, like see you. How much is this supposed to be?
30 minutes.
So see you in 30 minutes. Okay, guys, finally. It's been so long time. For 30 minutes, you could also say half an hour is 30 minutes. And so the dough is ready, obviously, and also I just put what is this? Ground cinnamon, yeah. Ground cinnamon and sugar. I could show you right there, because this is the cup. It is mine. And then this is vanilla powder. You can see like vanilla, and then it's in like this little packet. And also, I'm gonna mix it right now, and then this is the butter that I'm gonna melt, and then I'm gonna like we're gonna melt it in the microwave, and then we're just gonna dip the brush, and then just like, okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit more cinnamon because it's supposed to be more brownish. So I'm gonna do that. I think this is enough. Like my mom says, the more the better. Oh, good. You gonna smell?
Mmm.
You guys want to smell? Okay, so my mom's gonna melt the butter while I am putting the flour on the table for the dough to get for the doughs. I'm gonna show you guys. You guys can watch me. So I'm just gonna like put some Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. My mom's done. Okay. Done with butter fun. I mean flour. Okay, that's the dough. It puffed up really well. Look at it. It's just so close. It's like a cake, like a better, like a so good pie that's like so good. Might be yummy to eat. Okay, so finally this is gonna be the fun part, but a little heavy. Just heavy. Okay, so I'm gonna dump this what do you call it? Dough. But, oh my god, that feels so good actually. Get this out. Now I'm just gonna get like the extra piece of that screen my hand. This is slime getting slime out of the bowl. Okay, this is how much it got. I'm gonna give that to my mom. Oh, that sounds so cool. Okay, I'll put a little bit. Okay, this is good actually. This is getting into a circular shape. Out of rectangular shape. I don't know how to make this straight. Like this piece straight. This kind of look from help from my mom looks like a rectangular shape better than mine. But you just need to get this part. Did you feel it? It feels so good, right? You feel like a little soft thing. Time for the spreading, right? Brushing. Okay, this is gonna be fun. I have my sprinkle on the right and my little liquid friend on the left. Start spreading. Spreading. Okay, here it goes. There's a puddle, so I can put. I need to put on the right. Left, share to the right. And then maybe I can put it in. Now some sprinkle time, right? Sprinkle. Can I do it with my hand? Sprinkle. Oh my god, that looks so cool.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this thing. Look. This took a long time actually. Especially that 30 minutes. Okay, anyway, let's see. Okay, you wanna look at my hands? Hand reveal. 3, 2, 1. Isn't that dark? Okay, I was just done with like spreading like this thing. Now I'm gonna roll. Wait, should I start from here? Just start from here. And now she's start from here. Okay, so you guys can see like when it starts. So that's what I'm gonna go this way. Oh my gosh, I hope I don't mess up. This is like, I think this is gonna be the yummiest thing that I ever made with my mom. It'll be big when I grow up actually. This is fun. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, my mom just cut these precious yummy cinnamon rolls. And now I'm gonna be putting one by one here. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the tiniest one. The little man over there. And you, Mr. Evil, right here. 4, 1. 1, 2. Okay, now we're gonna put them in the oven, right?
45 minutes to wait and then oven.
Oh, 45 minutes to wait. Like, same thing. Just like that. And then I'll show you how I'm gonna put it on. So I'm just gonna put it like, should I just put it like over all of them? Just like that. Okay. Okay, it's been 45 minutes. That's been a long time. And the buns are ready, my favorite little buns. And so now we're going to brush with this brush, right? And then after we do yolk, egg, whatever, and we're gonna put the leftover mixture with sugar, vanilla, and how do you call it? Cinnamon, right? Did I say that? Okay, so we're going to now brush with this red brush. Wait, on one, just like that?
Yep.
All around and around. Okay, now we're gonna sprinkle. Okay, so just like I did for the bread, you know when I said bread.
That's good.
Look. Now I'm just okay. So me and my mom just like finished doing this goodness, good cinnamon buns. So now we're gonna put it in there, and my mom will show you. Okay, guys, this is the results of our cinnamon buns. They look beautiful and nice to eat, and cinnamon is the best. If you try to make these take a long time, and yeah, if you try to make that. And anyway, see you guys next time. Bye!